Sahi ani matung amuk pangthokkodoriba tara nipan suba state level Orange Festival 2025 December gi tang tara teret dagi tara mapan phau chathagadori. Orange Festival asigi damak district level committee singna thorang kanna chathari. State level Orange Festival haudokpa numit December tang tara teret asida Manipur gi Governor Ajay Kumar Balana laktuna inaugural function gi chief guest oigadori. 18 State Level Orange Festival 2025 asida Geographical Indication GI Tech Phanglaba Komla asi Tamenglong amadi None District ki oina ahaw athum phajaba competition tawgadori. Competition asida yawgadoriba orange growers singna yamdrabada makhoigi orange farm da komla pambi chama hena laigadabani. Orange competition gi winner da kumsi lupa lakh ani mana pigani. Second amadi third prize kina 1 lakh amadi 75,000 pigani. Marak asida orange competition da yawgadauba application form 397 hauzik phawbada pisin laga leire. Makhoising adu committee na piba criteria fulfill tauba orange farmers singbu competition asida yaunaba shortlist numit nini manungda pithoklagani haina nodal officer na phongdokhi. Matang asida orange competition ge nodal officer Kacham Thai Phaiga Gengmai Chief Executive Officer Autonomous District Council Tamenglong na asomna haiki.
Taraga nipan laksuba Orange Festival tarik tara tarati ki taramapan phau Tamenglong District ki headquarter da pangthokadeba kana sinjari hauzik phawbada district administration Tamenglong na application form se 397 phange masi se district ani digi haiba tare Tamenglong district amasong Longmai district ani pullaga out of 397 ki form ki maraktagi akoina 300 khwaidi afaba orange farmers haiba tare adu participate tawhangani Horticulture Department amasung concern SDO sing aduga Orange Grower Association punna akhoi field da chattuna hairiba application form singi tharapagi farm da challaga akhoi spot verification kana chathari hauji almost 70% de akhoi lisille.
Kumsi gi Orange Queen 2025 ki audition adu November 17 Conference Room Mini Secretariat Tamenglong amadi November 22 Hotel Infal Classic Sangai Hall Infal da chathaki. Screening tawraba matungda finalist contestant 22 asi khandoktuna 19 December da Orange Queen gi damak contest tawnaba thorang tawba haunakhre. Komsigi Orange Queen da mana 1.5 lakhs first amadi second runners up da 1 lakh amadi 75,000 pigani. Aduga sub title teret Miss Beautiful Smile, Miss Best Work, Miss Popularity, Miss Best Custom, Miss Talented, Face of Orange amadi atay sub title gisu mana pigani haina nodal officer na haiki. Kumsi Orange Festival gidamak work allotment pibikhiba nodal officer singna makhoi gi assign thabak sing kanna yengsili. Manung aduda homestay amadi hotel facility in charge na hanadagi hena standard lainaba honari. Kumsi gi Orange Festival asida ahanba oina state level Indigenous Wrestling Championship Sport Authority of India ga partner tawduna 17 December da pangthokadori. Orange Festival manung asida barak manakta leiba khun Bamgaijang amadi Chulonda water sports, rafting, water surfing, water jombing, water rolling, beach volleyball, zip lining amadi atay entertaining games kaya chathagani. Todok hendokna local amadi mapandagi lakpa artist kayana live perform tawgadori. Aduga painting competition, traditional dance, traditional attire show, cultural exhibition, camping and adventure amadi atay indigenous game kayasu chathagadori. Matang asida Orange Festival asigi saruk ama oina chathagadoriba Tamenglong Got Talent Season 5 ki audition 6 December 2025 Saturday namita pangthokre. Audition aduda talent lairaba naha nifu mukna audition tawki. Tamenglong Got Talent audition aduda participant kunmangabu competition round gidamak khankhre. Competition round adu 17 December da chathagani aduga final round na 19 December Orange Festival gi final day namita chathagani aduga Tamenglong Got Talent Season 5 ki winner su numit aduda lauthokani.